What's going on, world? This is Brian here with a quick video just letting you know I just got paid instantly to my PayPal just for answering the question. If you want to do the same thing, you can make money straight to your PayPal account just for answering questions. And also, every time you refer somebody, you get paid instantly to your PayPal. All right, so you see there, I just received 25 cents for answering a question. Let me show you. $25. Recent activity. Payment received just a few seconds ago. I thought this was cool. I used to have this app a long time ago, and they just sent me a question to answer, so it looks like they're still active. And I looked at the referral part of the program, it's active again, so go ahead and make you some quick lunch money. The link is in the description of the video. You need a PayPal account, and I think you need to be in the USA, but I'm not sure. So look at the link and sign up and go make you some quick money. All right, I'll talk to y'all later.